Hello dreamers. Welcome to our channel. Today video deals with the topics that we have been wanting to hear and know about. Before we dive in, subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell on for a quick update on the next upload. 7 mistakes that destroy money systems, and how to avoid them. A strong financial system is crucial for both individuals and businesses. However, many people unknowingly make critical mistakes that can lead to financial instability, debt, and lost opportunities. Understanding these common pitfalls can help you avoid them and build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Mistake number 1. Poor budgeting and financial planning. The problem, one of the biggest reasons people struggle financially is a lack of budgeting and financial planning. Without a clear plan, money can be spent recklessly, leading to financial shortfalls, unnecessary debt, and limited savings. How it destroys money systems. Uncontrolled spending leads to living paycheck to paycheck. No allocation for savings or investments, reducing financial growth. Difficulty in handling emergencies due to lack of funds. How to avoid it. Create a budget. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to track income and expenses. Set clear financial goals. Short-term, e.g., paying off debt; medium-term, e.g., saving for a house; and long-term, e.g., retirement planning. Automate savings. Allocate a fixed percentage of your income to savings before spending. Mistake number 2. Ignoring or mismanaging debt. The problem, debt can be a useful financial tool, but mismanaging it can lead to a cycle of financial instability and high interest payments. How it destroys money systems. Accumulating high-interest debt reduces the ability to save and invest. Missed payments lead to lower credit scores and higher borrowing costs. Over-reliance on credit can lead to a financial crash. How to avoid it. Prioritize debt repayment. Focus on high-interest debts first, e.g., credit cards, using the avalanche or snowball method. Avoid unnecessary debt. Only take loans when necessary and ensure a clear repayment plan. Negotiate interest rates. Work with creditors to lower rates or consolidate loans for better terms. Mistake number 3. Lack of emergency fund. The problem, many people do not set aside money for unexpected expenses, leaving them vulnerable to financial shocks like medical emergencies, job loss, or car repairs. How it destroys money systems. Forces reliance on credit cards or loans, increasing debt burden. Disrupts long-term financial goals when emergency funds are pulled from savings or investments. Creates financial stress and insecurity. How to avoid it. Build an emergency fund. Save at least 3-6 months' worth of expenses in an accessible account. Automate savings. Dedicate a portion of each paycheck to an emergency fund. Replenish when used. Always top up the fund after using it for emergencies. Mistake number 4. Not investing for the future. The problem, many people either avoid investing due to fear or lack of knowledge or make impulsive investment decisions without proper research. How it destroys money systems. Savings lose value over time due to inflation. Missed opportunities for wealth growth and financial independence. Increased reliance on traditional income sources, reducing financial flexibility. How to avoid it. Start early. Take advantage of compound interest by investing as soon as possible. Diversify investments. Spread investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other assets to minimize risk. Educate yourself. Learn about different investment vehicles and seek professional advice if needed. Mistake number 5. Lack of financial literacy. The problem, many individuals and even businesses fail to educate themselves on financial management, leading to poor decisions and financial setbacks. How it destroys money systems. Leads to poor financial choices like bad investments, excessive debt, or inadequate savings. Increases vulnerability to scams and fraud. Prevents long-term wealth accumulation and financial security. How to avoid it. Read books and articles. Stay informed about personal finance and investing. Take financial courses. Enroll in online courses or attend financial literacy workshops. Consult experts. Work with financial advisors to make informed decisions. Mistake number 6. Not planning for retirement. The problem, many people fail to plan adequately for retirement, believing they have plenty of time or relying solely on pensions and Social Security. How it destroys money systems. Insufficient savings result in financial struggles during retirement. Increased dependency on government benefits or family support. Inability to maintain the desired lifestyle after retirement. How to avoid it. Start saving early. Contribute to retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or pensions as soon as possible. Maximize employer contributions. Take full advantage of employer matching programs. Consider passive income sources. Invest in assets that generate consistent income in retirement, such as rental properties or dividend stocks. Mistake number 7. Overspending and lifestyle inflation. The problem is income increases. Many people increase their spending instead of saving or investing more, leading to a lifestyle they may not be able to sustain long term. How it destroys money systems. Prevents wealth accumulation despite higher earnings. Increases dependency on higher salaries, making job loss or financial setbacks more damaging. Leads to higher debt levels due to expensive habits. How to avoid it. Live below your means. Increase savings and investments with every income boost instead of increasing expenses. Set spending limits. Budget a specific amount for discretionary spending to prevent overspending. Practice delayed gratification. Wait before making major purchases to assess necessity and affordability. Avoiding these 7 mistakes is essential for building a strong and sustainable financial system. By budgeting wisely, managing debt responsibly, investing for the future, and continuously improving financial literacy, you can secure your financial future and achieve long-term financial stability. Start implementing these strategies today to create a more secure and prosperous financial life. Now that you know the biggest financial mistakes to avoid, it's time to take action. Which mistake surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next one.